So I had the opportunity to go to court with a client this morning for the first time in a while because during COVID times we started doing a lot of virtual appearances. So because of that, and just kind of where my cases are at in the process, I haven't had to go in person to the immigration court in Philadelphia in quite a while. And just every step of the process was a reminder to me of how unfair it is that we ask anybody, let alone children, to face the immigration court system and an immigration judge and the possibility of deportation alone while the government has an attorney. For example, just to get to the court this morning, I thankfully was able to give my client a ride. But in Pennsylvania, undocumented people aren't eligible for driver's licenses, so this person's guardian was not able to drive them to court and didn't have a ride, so I was able to thankfully take care of that. I parked the car, I guided us to the court. I took us through the process of going through security with the guards who were, not the friendliest. They were fine, but to a kid who doesn't speak English and is probably scared of somebody in uniform, that was probably pretty scary. You go to the clerk at the window, and I overheard her tell someone that she answered the phone to no español on the phone. So even if they call into the court or go to talk to someone at the window, nobody's going to speak Spanish to them. And then with this particular case, there was a lot of confusion over the hearing notice and just all of these things that make this court system so difficult for children to navigate. It's confusing even for attorneys to navigate. So imagine a child doing that alone. So for me, this was just a reminder, not that I don't remember it every day, but another reminder of how unfair the system is and why our work is so important. So I just wanted to come on and share those thoughts and encourage you to continue supporting us, and thank you for your support.